Okay, here we have two Windows PCs. The one on the right hand side's got a standard hard drive in it. The one on the left hand side I've just installed a solid state drive just to compare the boot times on Windows PCs. So if we start this one up first, we start this one up second, let's see how fast they go. There's not a big difference, but it's significant when you start opening. That's open already, ready to rock and rumble. Right, so that one's gone. We're in there. This one's still coming. And there you go. So time wise, it's still going. Trying to switch on. Now the old spinning wheel still in the centre. You can see that. Still trying to start up this one. The solid state drive is ready to go. It's in and gone and done. And that's finished now, so we're in. Okay, so the benefits of a solid state drive. Load times are so much faster than the standard hard drives. A good investment, a good upgrade, a cheap upgrade as opposed to buying a new laptop. Thank you.